Hi guys, Angela here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a little bit about the Satin Pothos. This is like my pride and joy. She's so beautiful. And I don't know if you can see in the video, but there's like this soft, dusty green on the leaves that I just think is so gorgeous. So this pot is nice and big and full, and the way that I keep that appearance is by cutting off these little trailing arms. So I cut each of these guys off. Once they get a little bit longer, I'll give them a little snip snip, and then I will propagate him in water until we get roots, and then I'll probably start. Actually, I have some propagating right now, and so once those are ready, they'll go in soil, and then I'll have another plant to share. But it's really easy. You just cut between the leaf nodes, and then you stick them in water. Give them a couple weeks, and then you'll have roots, and you can plant more babies. But yeah, this guy is so easygoing. He has a little bit of indirect light in like a very brightly lit room here, you can see. He's about, I don't know, 6 feet from eastern facing window. And I water him about every 10 days. So he's just very happy, easygoing, and just looks absolutely gorgeous. I haven't had to fertilize him yet. Because I just brought him home a little bit ago, so I still really love him. But I'll start fertilizing again in the spring, and do that probably once a month for the spring and summer, just so that we can get some maximum growth. And then once we get a little bit more going, I'll let him trail down a little bit more so that it's a little bit fuller. But since we only have these 2 legs here, I don't want them to get long and spindly. So yeah, I just wanted to share him with you guys today, and drop any comments below of what your favorite pothos are, and we will talk about them in another video because I have so many more. All right, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video.